Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do the review of ARM, the Malayalam movie of Tovino Thomas, which released in OTT recently. I missed this movie in the theaters because I couldn't go to watch it. This movie needed a theater watch, I think, because it was full of visuals. But I missed it in theater, so I catched it in OTT. It is on Disney Plus Hotstar, and I watched it just today, and I liked it. The first half of the movie is a bit slow, but the second half like really catch up and makes the story very interesting. The second half is very interesting and grips us, and we are really excited, and we are like on the edge of our seats to know what happens next. In the climax, it like leaves us with a lot of questions, like what will happen. Like it comes off like a diverges into a lot of questions and comes together, and it resolves like that. The acting in this movie is very good. Tomino Thomas just smashes it out of the park. Like he is extremely good as both three characters, and he's playing three characters in this movie, and all three are really good. And especially the second character he is playing is a thief, and he plays it very well. And so you should go to see this movie at least to see Tovino Thomas acting. Then I want to mention the makeup and like set design and makeup of this movie. Set design is really good, but makeup is extremely good in this movie. The makeup actually feels very, I have to appreciate it. Because the third character is third generation in which Tovino Thomas is acting is Ajay's character. Ajay's character in which Tovino Thomas doesn't look like his usual self in this movie at all. Even Ajay's character is like darkened a bit, and he looks a little bit rough around the edges, and he's not the conventional handsome guy that we have seen so far in other Tovino Thomas movies. Also, the Manian's character, the thief, he looks really scary and rough and total thief, rowdy kind, and that hats off to the makeup team for so much effort is put into that character's look, and that is very good. Another thing I didn't like about this movie is that the background score happens like when some character is entering, there is the before they come to the screen, before they enter the screen, there is a background score given, and that just spoils the anticipation, I think, because before Basil Joseph's character entered and before Aju Varghese character entered, they give a comic sort of like music behind it, and I didn't like that so much because it ruins the anticipation. Like we already are anticipating a comedy character to come up, or we are already anticipating some major character to come up, or major actor to come up. But we could have avoided that music at that point, and just let them enter the screen like a normal character or a normal person. But that just affected my enjoyment a little bit, not that much. This is not a major like feedback for this movie. Let's go to the spoiler review of this movie. From this on, it is the spoiler, so please, if you have not seen this movie, please log off and come back when you have seen this movie. It's a good movie, so you should see this movie. And spoiler is that when the climax comes up, I really like the climax because lot of like questions are coming up in our mind, like where will Ajay find this lamp, Will he give it to the other guys who wants the lamp? And what if he doesn't give them the lamp? Then what will happen to those guys? And what will happen to his love story with Lakshmi? Like they says that Lakshmi is like sent away somewhere. Then what will happen to Lakshmi, and what will happen? Uh, they say that Lakshmi is sent somewhere else, and then we are wondering, will they end up together or not? Then also the questions are like, where is the lamb ultimately, and if he finds the lamb, what will happen, etc. So there are a lot of questions that comes forward towards the ending, and that is a good writing that happened, because mm, the first half sets up all these things. That's why the second half have all these answer questions we have in our mind. If the first half was not that slow and setting up everything, we would not have all these questions in our mind. So I really felt that this movie's ending was really good. But there was one point where I felt that it is not being realistic, because Ajayan was stabbed with a scythe, right? Scythe. Not even with a sword or a knife, it was a scythe, but he pulls it out. So, and he should be bleeding out and dying, but he is not bleeding out and dying in a movie. In reality, he should be bleeding out and dying, but that didn't happen. I don't have a problem with him not dying, but because it's a movie and we don't have a problem with we would have a problem if our main character dies. But then he goes into the water, and inside the water he should be bleeding out and dying again, but he doesn't. That felt very unrealistic, but then we it is made okay by the because there was a supernatural element when he finds the lamp, and the goddess makes all the wounds go away and he is healthy again. That magical supernatural element was there, so it made it okay that he didn't die, but it still felt a bit unrealistic. But then the whole story of this movie is like a folklore, so it's set in a kind of situation where it is a folklore, and if it's a folklore, then we can understand that he didn't die and it's okay. But the whole world building of this movie and the folklore element of this movie is good, because we feel that we are entering a folk tale, and it didn't feel like it is happening in the real world. So it is, the world building is good, and rest, it was really an entertaining movie. If you are a action movie lover, you will really love this movie a lot more than I did, because I don't really like action movies. But if you are an action movie lover, you would certainly like this movie more, because in the first scene where in the first character of Tovino Thomas is fighting, and it is full in slow motion, and all the fight is in slow motion, and I didn't appreciate it well, but I can understand that somebody who really like action movies will love that, all those fight scenes. So if you're an action movie lover, you would certainly like ARM. And even if you're not an action movie lover, I think you will like ARM, because towards the end it is really good. First half will bore you a little bit. I think first half was a little bit slow. It was a little bit too much I won't say bad acting, but too much old movie type vibe was there. But then the setup was necessary for the second half, because that set if the setup was not there, the second half would not have been that good. But there was certainly an old movie type feel to the first half, like the way people act and talk and everything. By old movie, I mean the 90s movie, Malayalam movies, where they used to talk in a certain way, act in a certain way. Like that, I felt the first half was that type of thing. But then certain people's acting were not good, and that was a drawback of this movie. But everything else is good, and you should go watch this movie. No, it is an OTT, so you should watch this movie. If you have already watched this movie, please comment on the comment box what you thought of this movie, if you liked it, not liked it, whatever your thoughts are. So that is all for today's video, and please like and subscribe. Bye.